Welcome to GCK Daily. We're so glad you've decided to join us and enjoy the freedom and the power that comes through us from Christ each time that we meet. You know, paralysis is a terrifying affliction brought on by 1,000 maladies. It is the loss of the ability to move some or all of the body. With monoplegia, only one arm or leg is affected. In hemiplegia, one arm and one leg on the same side of the body is rendered non-functional. In the paraplegic, both legs cease to function. And with quadriplegia, both arms and both legs wither away in debilitation and devastation. In essence, the body becomes a house of bondage, a prison from which there is no escape. In our story today, Dr. Kumuyi explores how Christ freed a paralyzed man from his house of bondage. That hot summer day, the paraplegic got his healing and much more than he bargained for. So keep listening.
Look at Mark chapter 2. I'm reading from verse 5. When Jesus saw their faith, when he saw that they came by faith. When he saw, they went to the rooftop and removed the tile and brought the man in front of Jesus. He saw their faith. When he saw their expression that they knew, and they said in their heart, today, tonight, his power will heal this man. That's your faith. And as you come tonight expecting, he will. I said he will. When Jesus saw their faith, he said unto the sick of the palsy, son, thy sins be forgiven thee. Have you noticed what Christ has done there? He took step number 1, the forgiveness of sin, the salvation from sin, the destruction of sin, the pulling down of the wall of demarcation erected with your sin. He pulls that down. Son, daughter, thy sins be forgiven thee. And then after that, if he does number 1, he doesn't stop there. He goes to number 2. In your life, he will do number 1. And then he will not stop there. He will go to number 2. Look at verse 10. In verse 10, but that he may know that the Son of Man has power on earth to forgive sins. It says to the sick of the palsy, verse 11, it says, I say unto thee, arise, take up thy bed, and go thy way into thine house. He was talking to a man that was paralyzed, a man that was lame, a man that had the impossibility of a debilitating sickness, and he spoke to that man, and it's what brought strength. It's what brought healing. It's what brought power. It's what tonight is still the same. Jesus Christ, the same yesterday, today, and forever.